How to teach you gringos how to light a fire. Step 1. Prepare the base, foundation. Add a few briquettes, a little bit of charcoal. Add a little cardboard. Mix it in there. Add a little alcohol. And light the fire. Just tap it. Briquettes will start to fall. Now for the best part. Carefully. There you go. You just wait for everything to turn gray. And then I slip it through that little hole and under the grill. Easy as one,
I like
two,
adding
three.
some potatoes wrapped in tinfoil to my leftover fire.
How to teach you gringos how to light a fire. Step 1. Prepare the base.